I was born in the fire, molded by the pain. Every setback I took, turned it into game. They said I'd never make it, told me quit the dream. But I'm a product of the struggle, harder than it seems. I seen the block hot, seen the tears fall, seen the system try to break us, but we stand tall. This for my brothers locked down, doing time. Keep your head up, kings, the sun gon' shine. Yeah. We rise from the ashes, turn pain into power. Every hour, every minute we devour. No fear in our hearts, we the ones that can't stop. Like Pac said, keep your head up, we won't drop. We won't drop. Life's a battlefield, but I'm a soldier at war. Every scar on my soul just made me want more. I'm chasing greatness, no time for the hate. They try to break me, but it's never too late. I'm the voice for the voiceless, the hope in the dark. A spark in the night, igniting the heart. They can't take my spirit, I'm a king on my throne. Built from the struggle, now I'm never alone. That's right. We rise from the ashes, turn pain into power. Every hour, every minute we devour. No fear in our hearts, we the ones that can't stop. Like Pac said, keep your head up, we won't drop. We won't drop. We won't drop. This for the dreamers, the ones who believe. When the world tries to break you, just breathe. Every tear, every scar, it's a part of the grind. But the future's ours, leave the past behind. Yeah, come on. I'm a legend in the making, a phoenix in the flame. They can't take my crown, I done earned my name. From the bottom to the top, I'm a testament of will. Every mountain that I climb